Okay, so here is the juice of some of the chicken, and then here's our mole. So again, this is a pre-made mole. I got kind of challenged by the miss to make actual mole, but damn, I think that thing's kind of gnarly, man. I'm kind of, because you have to, there's so many, like literally so many ingredients to it that it's like one of those things that you have to start early to let it kind of do its thing all day long. And even though I do enjoy cooking, getting it down that meticulous is kind of, for lack of a better word, daunting. So we'll see. But in the meantime, we're working with this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use one of our wooden thingies here and just kind of start moving this around, and then let the paste kind of start going down. And then, like I said earlier, we have the rest of the broth here, because you're going to be needing to add more little by little just to get this broth, the pasty stuff less. So we'll keep working at it.